Josh Duggar made another wedding surprise by introducing his new Wi-Fi to everyone. But why did his ex-wife do what he did, and why did he leave his previous children? Let's try to know that in today's video, but before that, one more thing. Benton County, Arkansas, Jason Duggar, former star of the reality show 19 Kids and Counting, is facing a lawsuit in Benton County, Arkansas, for allegedly failing to fulfill his duties as a contractor and for reportedly not holding a valid contractor's license. The lawsuit, filed by Mark Thompson on September 10, names Duggar and Madison Holding LLC as defendants. Madison Holding is a company based in Combs, Arkansas, while Duggar, a resident of Springdale, was the assigned contractor for the home purchase, according to the complaint. Thompson alleges that he entered into a contract to buy a home in Bella Vista for $350,000 from Madison Holding. The complaint further claims that Duggar does not have a valid contractor's license, with no record of it found in the Arkansas Contractors Licensing Board's database. The lawsuit stems from an addendum to the home purchase contract, which required around 22 repairs to be completed within 30 days. However, 11 months later, many of these repairs reportedly remain unfinished, including sod installation, issues with the master bathroom and second bedroom closets, and incomplete grout work in the master bathroom. Other needed repairs cited in the suit include cracked drywall in an upstairs bedroom and roofing problems. According to the lawsuit, Duggar and Madison Holding were responsible for these repairs, but despite early cooperation, Duggar allegedly became unresponsive. The complaint includes text messages between Thompson and Duggar, in which Duggar suggested that instead of making multiple trips back to the home, Thompson should pay for the repairs himself. Duggar allegedly proposed offering a final payment for the estimated repair costs, with the condition that no further fixes would be required. Thompson claims that communication from Duggar and Madison Holding ceased after that, leaving the necessary repairs unfinished. The lawsuit accuses Duggar and Madison Holding of breach of contract, breach of warranties, negligence, and fraud or constructive fraud. Thompson is seeking damages, which will be determined at trial, as well as punitive damages, Bentonville. A lawsuit has been filed against former reality TV star Jason Duggar, accusing him of falsely claiming to have a contractor's license and failing to complete required work on a home for a Benton County resident, Fayetteville attorney Andrew Myers submitted the lawsuit on Monday in Benton County Circuit Court, naming Duggar and Madison Holding LLC as defendants. Jason Duggar, one of the sons of Jim Bob and Michelle Duggar from the reality shows 19 Kids and Counting On, is accused of negligence, fraud, and breach of contract. The lawsuit was filed on behalf of Mark Thompson, who entered into an agreement to purchase a home in Bella Vista from Madison Holding, with Duggar serving as the contractor. According to the complaint, Duggar claimed to have a valid contractor's license, but the Arkansas Contractors Licensing Board has no record of such a license for him. This has raised concerns that Duggar was operating without the necessary credentials. As part of the home purchase contract, Duggar and Madison Holding were required to complete 22 repairs within 30 days. However, the complaint states that 11 months later, many of these issues remain unresolved. These include incomplete work in the master bathroom, a bedroom, and sod installation. The lawsuit also notes additional concerns such as crown molding repairs in the upstairs section of the home and ongoing roofing problems. The lawsuit alleges that Duggar acknowledged the roofing issues earlier in the year and promised to address them. However, by late May, Duggar reportedly suggested that Thompson hire someone else to complete the repairs instead of continuing the work himself. Thompson claims he fulfilled his obligations under the contract, including closing on and paying for the home, but that Duggar and Madison Holding failed to meet their contractual obligations by not completing the repairs. The lawsuit seeks monetary damages, including the costs to finish the necessary repairs and coverage of Thompson's legal fees. The case has been assigned to Benton County Judge Christine Horwart. Another Duggar family member is facing legal trouble. Jason Duggar, a former cast member of 19 Kids and Counting, has been named in a lawsuit filed in Arkansas, accusing him of breach of contract, breach of warranties, and fraud. Lawsuit alleges Jason Duggar operated without a valid contractor's license. The lawsuit, filed on September 10 in Benton County Circuit Court, alleges that 24-year-old Jason Duggar operated a contracting business without a valid license. According to court documents obtained by Showbiz Cheat Sheet, Jason was contracted to complete repairs on a newly built home sold by Madison Holding, LLC in August 2023. The lawsuit claims several issues, including faulty grout in the master bathroom, cracked drywall, a problematic pantry door, and repairs to the master bedroom closet, were not satisfactorily addressed by Duggar. The plaintiff also claims that communication with Jason and Madison Holding has ceased in recent months, leaving the repairs unfinished. Text messages allegedly from Jason were included in the lawsuit, where he attributes the delays to his subcontractors. In these messages, Jason suggests paying a final amount to the homeowner to cover repair costs, asking in return for a signed contract releasing him from further responsibilities related to the home's repairs. The lawsuit also questions Jason's contractor credentials, accusing him of skirting the law by operating without a valid license. It states that Jason's contractor's license cannot be found on the Arkansas Contractors Licensing Board, and that he does not appear to operate under a valid contractor's license. Duggar family's history of legal issues. The lawsuit against Jason comes amid a series of legal troubles involving members of the Duggar family. His older brother, Josh Duggar, was convicted in December 2021 for possessing child sexual abuse material and is currently serving time in a federal prison in Texas. Josh Duggar also faced other legal challenges in the past, including a 2015 lawsuit by adult film performer Danica Dillon, who accused him of assault, though she later dismissed the case. In September 2021, Jason's sister Jana Duggar was charged with a misdemeanor for child endangerment after a child she was babysitting wandered outside alone. She settled the case by pleading guilty and paying a fine. Additionally, in 2017, several of Jason's older sisters sued Arkansas officials for invasion of privacy after records from a past investigation into Josh Duggar were released to the media. That lawsuit was dismissed in 2022. The lawsuit against Jason Duggar adds another layer to the family's ongoing legal woes as the Duggar name continues to make headlines.